Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, just access devices settings. Following that, you need to scroll all the way down and click on About Phone section at the bottom. Now click on device name over here and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with pumpkin. After that, select OK in this pop-up, and then in order to save your name, click on OK in this one. As you can see, after that, name of my HTC has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!